What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You know me kama kawaida, your girl Susanna. Today's video actually we are having beans. This is yellow beans. I actually want to show you how I normally fry my beans. Yeah, and this is the spices. This is the Royco cube you can see here. Obviously you have to put the Royco cube to bring that good taste, that aroma. Yeah, and this is the tomatoes, and there is the carrots, and down there you can see the greens down there, the green pepper. And I have already on the gas. Our onions is getting ready, and if you have actually made ugali, I have made ugali, and we are going to have this with ugali. I want to see whether my son is going to like it. Beans and ugali. Yeah, I have already finished to cook ugali. It is only remaining to fry the beans. That's why I thought, let me show you guys how I normally fry my beans. Yeah, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe, share, like, at least at least watch the videos, guys. There's just, even though you don't learn a lot in my videos, at least you just learn one thing. Yeah, just one thing you learn, so that one thing can make you subscribe. So it is just, subscribing is free. Kindly subscribe, please. If it is your first time to watch my videos, kindly subscribe. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. On the road to 1000 subscribers, so I really appreciate your support, guys. So continue supporting your girl. Our onions is actually getting ready. You can see it is brown. Let's put the spices. Yeah, let's put the spices. So kama kawaida, we leave our spices, our tomatoes to cook until it is soft, and we put our beans. Meanwhile, subscribe, guys, like the video. Let's cover it and leave it for a few minutes. Yeah, for like 2 minutes it will be ready. And our beans is actually here, well cooked. Yeah, you can see that how cooked it is. Yeah, so let's check our spices. It's actually ready. Not even 2 minutes, it is just like 1 minute, and it is cooked. You can see that the tomatoes is ready. And but have you subscribed already? Have you subscribed? Subscribe if you haven't. So let's put our beans inside. Let's turn it. You have to turn it so that you know this now. You have to turn it and turn it. Yeah. Turn it and turn it. You see, it has mixed. The mixture is okay now. Yeah. Ready to put the soup. Yeah, I love soup beans. I love soup in the beans. So to bring that good taste, you have to put enough soup and let it cook for like 5 minutes. Then it will be cooked. It will bring that nice soup, and put some sprinkle of salt. You don't put too much salt because of the baby. My camera is not that good actually. Don't mind of what you see. So with that, you're good to cover it and let it cook actually for a few minutes, like for 5 minutes actually. Let it cook, and then I will show you the results. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. Kindly share the video, like and comment. Thank you. See you later. Let's check how our beans is doing. Ooh, boiling. It's cooking nicely, yeah. See that soup, how thick it is getting. Look. Ah, look at that soup. Oh my gosh, tastes nice. Hey. So this one actually you can do a multi-purpose. You can have it with rice, even spaghetti, ugali. Yeah, beans can do multi-purpose with those things. So thank you so much. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Our beans is actually ready. You can see that. Yeah, our beans is ready. So let me serve my selection. First I will start doing this soup. Baba, no. Soup. And that is okay for him. Bye. See you tomorrow.